And ito na nga ang brand new na 2024 Toyota Wigo. And first things first, ang napansin ko dito sa Wigo na to is yung wheels. Yung mga wheels ay hindi na siya two-tone spec. To be honest, mas gusto ko to kasi one plain color is actually enough. Enough contrast na yan for the whole car itself. And by the way, kung titingnan yung pintura, ang pintura na pangalan dyan ay Orange Metallic 3. Yan, tinapatan ko lang yan sa fuel door kasi wala lang, trip ko lang. And you know what? Enough talking. How about pasukin na lang natin yung interior nito para masilip nyo na din. And syempre, mabawasan na yung hingal ko dito sa aking voiceover. Alright, ikaw na bahala dyan, Johnny.
Yep, ito na yung dashboard ng pinaka top of the line ng Toyota Wigo, in which ayan, it's really evident na ito yung push button system, tapos yung infotainment system, yan, it's available here, tapos automatic transmission. It's a CVT, hindi na siya yung traditional 4-speed, so yung expectations na increase ng ating fuel mileage is going to be really evident. Tapos climate control system, too bad wala pala akong susi dito, so ayan. Yung ano natin dito is andito pa yung voice command nasa steering wheel. Ayan, to accept calls is here. 3-spoke steering wheel. Then ayan, ito yung instrument cluster, it's over here. Yep, everything. It's really basic. Pero gagawa pa ako ng isa pang separate video na ano, yung mas malalim pa na ano na content pa. So ayan, let's get out of the way kasi this is a vent. And syempre maraming sisilip dito sa kotse.
Well, susunod na variant na sisilipin ko is yung E variant, which yung body paint name nito is Yellow SE. Yun lang naman sasabihin ko. Nevertheless, papasukin na lang natin tapos explain ko sa inyo kung ano yung pinagkaiba sa iba't ibang variants. Let's go.
Okay, ito naman yung E. So, alam kong pinagkaiba na ito sa G tsaka sa, ay mula sa G pala. Ito ay manual climate control system. Let's open the light and just to see a bit. Tapos ito, yep, just like I said, manual climate control system. Hindi siya push button start. Pero, it's really basic. Yun lang naman ang noticeable difference as of now sa first impressions ko. So infotainment system is still the same, but yeah, it's really basic. But syempre kung titingnan natin yung sa labas, it's really different kasi yung kulay is, as you can see dun sa side mirror. Yep, it's this one.
Actually lumabas lang ako para masilip ninyo yung ano, yung kulay kasi galing dati ito sa ano TRD Sport ng Wigo. So ayun lang. Sunod naman yung Wigo na base model. Ayan yan. Go.
And then ito naman yung base model ng Toyota Wigo. Everything's manual. Yan, katulad ng transmission. Really stiff transmission. Pero ito, alam niyo yung ano, yung design ng 2-din. Well, in-adapt nila dito. Tapos ito yung 1-din na radio. So, guys, wala na siyang CD player. Pero ang siyempre pinalit doon is yung Bluetooth. Tapos, functioning ano yan, functioning voice command system yan. So meron siyang voice command in a 1-din radio. So ayan, wala tong steering wheel controls. So since it's a base nga, so pero perhaps meron siyang dual SRS airbags. So syempre hindi na siya leather. Ayun yung ano, typical base model features naman siya. But yeah, it's really basic. And then manual key slot dun sa ano, sa ignition system. But have you noticed kung ano yung makina nito? Well, it's still actually the same, right, from the yung lumang Wigo. So tignan natin. And then ito na nga yung makina natin. It's still the same, 1K RVE, produces alam ko 67 PS. Tapos yun yung 3-cylinder na engine right from the past Wigo din. Radiator cap is still evident dito. And then dito pa yung mga maliliit lang yung components niya, guys. So 1 liter engine no? And exposed yung ABS module, nandun siya. And as much as possible, apologize lang dun sa ano, sa background music. But yun, it's really easy to maintain din. Kasi yan, it's very exposed yan, no? Catalytic converter. Siyempre. So, yan, late lang din ang battery. Yan. So, yan, i-drop down ko na rin yung, by the way, yung price, da-drop down ko na rin din. Ayun, hindi, it's time to shut it down. So, yan. Nakakagulat din pala, no? Pati yung base model, full LED na rin siya. I assume na ganun din yung high beams nito. So, yan yung LED strips. But yeah, hindi ko pa rin naririnig itong umandar actually. So, yan. Very soon, baka I'll request na magkaroon ng review ako dito sa kotse na to. So, let's do this one. Siyempre, considering rin dito sa sa base model, center hubcaps na siya. Well, it's a full size dun sa sa wheel, and black stylus rin sa sa likod nito. But yeah, ito yung siyempre difference nito from the base and then dun sa G. Yung E tsaka yung G, yung wheels nun is actually the same. Saying goodbye dun sa two-tone wheels. Yan I'll show you this one. Ito, yan yung it's full plain silver na siya. Yung brakes nito is actually full drum at the rear. Tapos syempre disc dun sa sa harap. Look at this. Ayan. There you go. 4 lug nut spec. Syempre side mirror housings natin is actually color match. Tapos yung repeaters natin nandito lang sa ilalim. Obviously dun sa base model wala siya nun. It's really basic. Yan yung side mirror housings, color match, pero wala siyang LED strips, LED repeaters pala, sorry. Ito naman, babalikan ko tong sasakyan na to. Ito yung G na may accessories. Kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung may GR skirts. Yan, and then yung rain gutter natin dito. It's really simple. Parang seamless yung design nito, no? Parang isa lang yung logo ng Wigo dito Tapos dito wala na. Hindi siya parang nakababa dito. Parang it comes with the car right? It's an optional, so optional accessories. Yeah. Oh, ito. Iba yung upuan ng Wigo G. Yan, yun yung may side bolster support dito. Hindi siya leather though. So okay. Meron kasi ako napanood sa nasa sarado na natin. Meron kasi ako napanood sa I'm not sure kung sa Indonesian market. May yung power mode. Meron pa nga power mode yung Wigo nila or Agya ata yung pangalan nun. Andi dito nakalocated yun But nevertheless, made for efficiency talaga yung Wigo version natin dito sa Pilipinas. So, yan, that's what I have observed, the difference. And then, yung makina naman nito is really the same. What is this? Ito yung designated na voice command probably, or yung hands-free telephone din. Tapos ito built-in tong camera So I wonder how yung operation nito. Yep. Yan, may camera dito, may camera lens. Ayan kita nyo? Yan. So, what else to look at it? Yan. Tsaka pansin ko yung natin dito, yung speedometer. Yan. Yung speedometer natin dito hanggang 220 na. Yeah. Or ganun din yung, baka nagkamali ko guys, sorry. Not to mention, ito pala. Yung takip pala sa compartment ito, meron dito sa G. Tapos alam ko yung taillights nito is actually LED, and may LED strips. Buksan ko, try ko ang buksan yun. Tingnan ko lang, sisilipin natin. And yeah, ito yung standout color ng Wigo. Tara, tingnan natin yung taillights kung gano'n yung tsura. By the way, keyless entry nga pala to. Somehow naging LED. Parang sinisimilit niya lang maging LED. Okay. Tapos ito yung fuel tank. Tapos kahit sa base model pansin ko lang, yan, ito yung may traction control button nun. Then saan ba yung yan, ito yung tank. Let's see. Yep. And then yung normal signs natin, unleaded fuel only. Yan, gas cap is there. Wigo carpets, yan, kalagay, nakadistinguish siya dito. Then yan, yung halogen light natin dito sa interior light. Okay, step outside. Please excuse my alam ko ito yung daytime running lights aandar lang siya kapag mandar na yung makina, I think. So siyempre meron rin dun sa kabila. So ayan. Gusto ko sana tanongin kung nasan yung fog lights nito So assume na lang natin yung top of the line, pero where are the fog lights? Ano din ako napansin, para saan kaya to? Dali ba itong magasgas or ba't ni-replace nga ng hard plastic trims itong side na to? And then yeah, it's really minimalistic yung design dito sa likod. Tapos black out rin yung pinapaligiran ng taillights, very much. Tapos meron tong sensors, obviously. Yan. Tapos yes, meron tong reverse camera. I was actually notified na ito na pala yung fog lights. Yan yung nakatayo na yan, hindi na siya pabilog. Ibang iba. But anyhow, yun na yung event ng Toyota Wigo release. So maraming salamat sa pagsuporta ninyo. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. And very soon there will be more Wigo content to be uploaded. So yeah, ito nga pala yung star color nila. So it's really nice and it's good to be here. Thank you so much, guys. Peace. Bye.